Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your hacked Mega account. In this video, I will show you how to change and reset your password and how to recover your account if the hacker changed your email or phone number. Head down to the description or comment section to view the timestamps. Let's go. To change your password, click on your profile at the top right and click Settings. Then on the left, click Security. And right here at Change Password, you can type in your new password and confirm it. And once you're done, you can click Change Password. If you're logged out, you can try to access Mega from another device or browser that you already may be logged into. And if you're unable to log in, then you will need to reset your password. To reset your password, head over to Mega's login page and click Forgot Your Password. Then you want to enter in your Mega email address and click Start. And then it will ask you if you have a backup of your recovery key. So if you do, you want to click Yes, I have my recovery key, and I'll go over what to do if you don't. And your email should already be pre-filled here, so click Send the password reset link to your email. And now you want to go check your email for a message from Mega. So this is what the email should look like, and it should come from support@mega.nz. And you can click here, Reset Your Password. And now it will ask you to either upload your recovery key file or enter it in, so I'll enter in mine. Then you want to click Verify. And here you can type in your new password and click Validate Password. Now if you don't have your recovery key, you want to click here, No, I don't have my recovery key. And then after that, you want to go ahead and check if you're logged into Mega. So you can check all of these. And if you are logged into Mega, you can click here. And if you're not logged into Mega, you want to click No, I am not logged into Mega. Also, if you're already logged into Mega, it will just redirect you to Mega and you can go ahead and regenerate a new recovery key. So I'll click here. Now, if you don't remember your recovery key and you aren't able to log into Mega, you'll come to this screen here. And basically this will essentially delete your account and make you start your account from scratch. So if you can't find your account information, then you will need to go to the next recovery step. If your email was changed, you want to email Mega support at this email address here, support@mega.nz. And you can just make the subject line Mega account hacked. And for the body, you can use the format that I have in the description and tweak it to your situation. Also, the support email will be in the description below. And once you're done, you can click Send and wait for a response from Mega support. Here are some tips on securing your Mega account. Secure your email. Verify that the email or phone number on the account belong to you. Use different and strong passwords across all sites. Enable 2FA. And go to Settings and sign out of everywhere. If you follow the steps in this video and still having trouble with your account, we do offer free account recovery help to assist you through the account recovery process and secure your account. For more severe cases, we also provide multi-account recovery help for comprehensive support with hacks affecting multiple accounts. You can book an appointment using the link below or visit the website on your screen to recover and secure your account today. We will never ask for any personal account information or passwords. We just guide you through the recovery process. Thanks for watching. Stay secure.